The question is, if cot theta is minus 6 by 8 and if theta is between 3 pi by 2 radians and 2 pi radians, we need to find the value of this fraction. Theta is from 270 degrees to 360 degrees, which means that theta is in fourth quadrant. So first let me draw the Cartesian coordinate system. This is our positive x-axis, this is our negative x-axis, this is our positive y-axis, and this is our negative y-axis. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is having positive x-axis and negative y-axis. Therefore, we will have x coordinate to be positive and y coordinate to be negative. In the question, they have given us that cot theta, that is cotangent theta, is minus 6 by 8. 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 4 is 8. So we can further simplify this as minus 3 by 4. And for all, the definition of cot theta is always x by y. But in the fourth quadrant, we are having positive x-axis and negative y-axis. So therefore, this fraction can be rewritten as x by minus y for the fourth quadrant. From the question, we got cot theta to be equal to as minus 3 by 4. But x is positive and y is negative. So therefore, we can rewrite this equation as cot theta is equal to 3 by minus 4. So from this data, we got the value of x to be equal to as 3 and y to be equal to as minus 4, which is negative. But we don't know the value of r. So we need to know the value of x, y, and r to find out the trigonometric ratios of cosecant theta, secant theta, tan theta, and cos theta in order to solve this equation. So in order to find the value of r, let me consider this right angle triangle. This is our right angle and this is our angle theta. The side of the angle which is opposite to the right angle, that is 90 degrees of the triangle, is always considered the hypotenuse side and is represented by the letter r. The side of the triangle which is adjacent to the angle theta is called the adjacent side of the triangle and it is represented by the letter x. And the side of the triangle which is opposite to the angle theta is considered as the opposite side of the triangle and is represented by the letter y. So now we have the value of x and y and we need to find the value of r. For that we can use the Pythagoras theorem, that is, for all r square is equal to x square plus y square. R is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So when we substitute the value of x and y, we will get r is equal to square root of x square, that is 3 square, that is 9 plus minus 4 the whole square, that is plus 16 plus 16. So we will get r is equal to square root of 25. So we will get r to be equal to as plus or minus 5. R is never negative because it is the length of the hypotenuse side of the triangle. So therefore lengths can be never negative. But value of x and y can be positive or negative depending on the quadrant in which the terminal side of the angle theta lies. So it can be positive or negative depending on the quadrants, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. So therefore our value of r will be 5. So now we have the value of x to be equal to as 3, y to be equal to as minus 4, and r to be equal to as positive 5. Next we need to find out the value of cosecant theta, secant theta, tan theta, and cos theta. The definition of cosecant theta is always r by y. So the value of r is 5 and the value of y is minus 4. Next is secant theta. So the definition of secant theta is always r by x. The value of r is 5 and the value of x is 3. So therefore we will get 5 by 3. Next is tan theta. So the definition of tan theta is always y by x. The value of y is minus 4 and the value of x is 3. So therefore we will get minus 4 by 3. Next is cos theta. The definition of cos theta is always x by r. The value of x is 3 and the value of r is 5. We will get 3 by 5. Now we have all the values of cosecant theta, secant theta, tangent theta, and cosine theta, which we can substitute in this equation and find the value of the given equation. The given equation is 4 cosecant theta minus 3 secant theta divided by 3 tangent theta minus 5 cosine theta. This will be equal to 4 into cosecant theta. The value of cosecant theta is 5 by minus 4. So we will get 4 into 5 by minus 4 minus 3 secant theta. So minus 3 into secant theta. Secant theta's value is 5 5 by 3. So 3 into 5 by 3 divided by 3 tan theta. So 3 into tan theta. The value of tan theta is minus 4 by 3. Therefore 3 into minus 4 by 3 minus 5 cos theta. So minus 5 into cos theta. The value of cos theta is 3 by 5. So 5 into 3 by 5. So here 4 and 4 will cancel out each other. 3 and 3 will cancel out each other. 3 and 3 will cancel out each other. 5 and 5 will cancel out each other. So therefore we will get minus 5 divided by minus 4 minus 3, which is equal to minus 10 by minus 7. So negative sign and negative sign will cancel out each other. So we will be left out with 10 by 7. So our final answer will be 4 cosecant theta minus 3 secant theta divided by 3 tan theta minus 5 cos theta is equal to 10 by 7. So this will be our final answer. If you understood the concept, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.